Hi friends, welcome to the new video about price action trading strategy. Some professional traders are trade without any indicators with a naked chart. How do they do it? Right, without indicators, without any tools, but just with a simple price chart. What is the secret behind this? So I will share with you what are the price action trading secrets, and you must know the right so you can also trade with a naked price chart to better turn your entries and exits without using any indicator. In Gujarati, there is a term the people says Bhav Bhagwan Che. It means price is God. That means price is everything. Same thing in trading also. If you want to be a good and professional trader, then you need to learn price action fast. The price is up and down purely based on the price. If buyers are strong, the price will go up. If sellers are strong, then the price will go down. So if you are new to this video, to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscription button is just below right, and click on the subscribe button so you will never miss another educational video or training video from me again. Have you done it? Let's get started. The first thing I want to say that if you are trading with price action, then you need a framework. So what is a framework? The framework is nothing but a blueprint. There are four stages of market all. Stage 1, accumulation. When smart money begins to buy at low price. Stage 2, markup or advancing stage. When retail and other investors begin to buy and prices rise to catch up with improving fundamentals. Stage 3, distribution. When price rise more than justified and smart money begins to liquidate or sell positions. Stage 4, markdown or declining stage. When stock price begins to fall rapidly with panic setting in. I will explain you the price action on chart for better understanding and based on buyers and sellers who are strong. You have to analyze where buyers are strong and sellers are strong. Why buyers are strong, then you go with buyers, and if sellers are strong, then you go with sellers. This is the chart of Reliance. This is 1 hour chart. In this chart, we have to discuss the four stages of market. The first stage is the accumulation stage. What is the accumulation stage? In accumulation stage, the price in a range, always in a range. See here, in this price, in this range, always in a range. This is the first stage. This is the accumulation stage. The price in the range always, see, price come here and down, up, down. It touch the bottom, then touch the up. Okay. This is the accumulation stage. After accumulation stage, there is the second stage is markup. That is advancing stage. In advancing stage, the buyer are strong. It's the buying pressure is more. The buyer is more in this. See, is huge buyer in this. This is called markup or advancing stage. After advancing stage, then there is a distribution phase. That is distribution stage. In distribution stage, the price is in a range also, but it is preparing for down. It is preparing for sell off for the fourth stage. That is markdown stage. This is the markdown stage. In markdown stage, that is also called a declining stage. In declining stage, the price go down. Huge sell is here. Okay, this is the first stage of market. We can also discuss with 5-minute chart for day trading. It is for swing trading. For day trading, we can discuss here. We can go for 5-minute chart. Okay. See here. In this, there is no indicator, no stochastic, no RSI, only candlestick. We can trade with only candlestick with a price action. Okay. In this, you see that this is the accumulation stage. Okay. See here. This is the accumulation stage. Then this is the advancing stage, and after that this is the distribution phase, distribution stage. Okay. After distribution, it will be the markdown or declining stage. Okay. Okay. This is the first stage of market. Then we'll go for chart for the more price action. This is Nifty chart of 17th September. This is 5-minute chart. In this, you see the first candle. You see the first candle. This is the first candle. The first candle is a bullish candle. See, this is the bullish candle. In low, there is very big wick. The lower side wick means the buyers are strong. Okay, lower side big wick means buyers are strong, and also there is a bullish green candle. These buyers are very strong. Then there is a small red candle. That is no buyers, no sellers are strong. Then here also buyers. Then price go up and up, and this is the CPR. Okay, this is central CPR, this is top CPR, this is bottom CPR. Then it is going up, and its upper side weak means the sellers are. Then then there is a hammer candle. In this also some buyers are strong, but it is facing resistance near to the CPR, central pivot range. The central pivot range in this CPR central pivot. Okay, it is facing resistance. Then price go down. Also facing resistance is lower CPR. Okay. After this, price moves like this. There is buyers, then sellers, then buyers like this. Then it is one inverted hammer candle here. That is sellers are strong. Here also seller, some buyer, but sellers are strong. When sellers are strong, the market will go down. Here there is a bearish candle. Then it is facing some resistance here, pivot, lower CPR. Okay. Then after breaking the CPR here with a bullish candle, then price C up, price go down, down, down. Price go here down and down. Okay. Price here to here go down up to the previous day low. This is the previous day low. Okay, here facing here resistance. There is a bullish candle here. Lower side, which means is a bullish, means buyers are strong. Okay, then it is facing here resistance and going up. Okay, then there is a consolidation or accumulation. Okay, then it is going up here. Green candle buyers are strong and going up here, facing the CPR resistance. Then there is a bearish candle. Top side wicks here, bearish candle. Then price goes low. This This is also bearish. Then yes, sellers are under control of market. Sellers are control the market, means very much sellers here. Then price go down and at last it is closed near the previous day low. Okay, this is the price action all about buyers and sellers. Always in price action we need to see the candle where buyers and if buyers are there, then we'll go for buy side. If sellers are strong, then we go for sell side. Then we can in the market. In this chart, I am using only the CPR, the CPR and previous day low, high, and pivots only. There is no indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. No needs of this traditional uh, traditional indicators. Only you need the price action. This is the price action. You can use pivot points and CPR for price action, and it can be profitable by using this indicator, not indicator, this price action system like candlestick with buyers and sellers activity. Okay, okay, this much for this today. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.